What's up guys? So yun nga pala, mag-unbox tayo ng parcel. Gift na toy ni Mamila para kay Hira. So yun, stay tuned guys. Yo, salita siya ng salita. O kala talaga naririnig siya. Pasikat ka boy! Mga beige pa. May kaldero pa. Ang dami. Ang dami. Kasi meron ka nang nakita yung wooden na kitchen toy. Wala siyang kasamang mga accessories na ganyan.
Meron pero konti.
So yun, meron pero konti. Natutuwa si Hira nito. Sobra.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. What's that? What's that? What is that? What's that?
Naglag ng sandali.
You got there. What's that?
You happy?
Are you happy? Hira.
Hira, look. Whoa!
Other one also. Turn it on.
Is it nice?
Hira, are you happy?
What will you say? Hira, what will you say? Kay Mamila. Hira,
Hira,
say thank you,
what
Mamila.
will you say to Mamila?
Nakaw, hindi naman
Na, busy na.
G. Hira,
Hira, what will you say to Mamila muna?
say thank you to Mamila muna. Hira. Hira.
What will you say to Mamila? Say thank
Louder,
Louder,
louder.
one more.
Thank you, Mamila.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Hira. Wow. It's cooked na? It's cooked?
Ano? Hindi ko masaya.
Mami, cook. Oh, go, you cook na. Go. Are you happy?
Ganyan na lang. Kalat-kalat. Ang galing. O ano? You don't want to play your kitchen toy na?